Hello there and good morning. Lovely Sunday morning here. I'm heading towards Burnam-on-Crouch. Maybe a little early for the cafe to be open. But it's too nice not to be out and about. A few bikes out and about today. As we come through the Burnham Bends, popular biking. I think the Bends possibly encourages people to come down to Burnham. 3 or 4 very sharp bends. And there's the cafe as well, which is nice to hang out. Yes, the cafe is indeed closed for another half hour, but I can park here. Well, good morning. We are out and about on Burnam-on-Crouch now. Just going to have a little walk around, see what we can see before the cafe opens. You don't see a lot of the old telephone boxes out anymore. Under refurbishment by the town council. Well, it's been a library at some point. Little telephone box library, but there's a few people going to do some wild swimming. That is a little bit keen doing it there. That's a very nice little village, town. Go back and see if the cafe's open. Somebody's making bacon, I can smell it. Well, it's been a slightly shorter ride than I was planning on, because I did have quite a long sit at the cafe, but that was nice too. One of the downsides of working from home is there's not enough human interaction with the outside world, and it's quite nice to just have a chat with people.